In this video, we are going to look at selecting a plane. The plane forms the basis of everything. Before you draw anything, you need to have a plane. It's like having a sheet of paper and drawing on a sheet of paper. If the sheet of paper is not available, you will not get a surface to draw on. And so in the same way, in SOLIDWORKS, your plane is like the sheet of paper you are drawing on. And so to select a plane to draw on, the first thing is you head out to your design tree. Under the design tree, you have the front plane. So let me make it up visible. Let me make all visible. So you can see these are your 4 planes. So we have the front plane here, the right plane, the top plane, and so it forms a 4 quadrant. And so once you decide your drawing where you are going to start from, then you select the one you want. So assuming I want to start from the front plane, so let me hide them again. So this is the front plane. Immediately I click on the front plane, this pop-up comes: sketch, hide, zoom to selection, then normal. The normal makes the plane perpendicular to the viewer. So if I click on this, you see it's perpendicular to me. Let me change it again and so that you can see the difference. So it makes it perpendicular to you. And also, once you've selected the plane you want, there is an automation in SOLIDWORKS that makes the plane perpendicular to you or normal to you right from the selection. That is, once you select the plane, then you select sketch, becomes normal to you, and so from there you start to draw. So this is how the plane selection looks like. Also, let me close this. You can close the plane from this point. Once you close it, it asks you, do you want to discard changes to the sketch? Because we haven't done anything yet, so I can just close it. Okay. We also have the ability to do planes that are not the basic plane, that is front plane, top plane, right plane. It can happen that you are in a complex drawing and you need to select a plane which is not any of these. That one would have to come in as you progress on. So we'll also talk about that one. So in this video, this is how you select a plane. Always look at where you want to start your drawing from. So if you are certain that you want to start from the front plane, you select the front plane. If you are certain you want to start from any of the planes, then you start from there. Most of the time, if you don't start from a good plane or a right plane, you end up not getting the exact thing you wanted. You even end up not being able to achieve the drawing. And so the plane you view your object from and you draw it, or the plane you imagine your object from and you draw it, plays a crucial role in the drawing in SOLIDWORKS.